This is a 1-cent lure, and if it works, it could change how you fish forever. Let's see if this tiny homemade lure can actually catch a fish. I got my net just in case we catch one. Oh my gosh, I just had a fish follow it. He followed it all the way in. There's a fish. We got a fish. Oh no, he's under the ice. Oh my gosh. So much for our net. That is a fish on a 1-cent lure. Look at that. This is a gorgeous little rainbow trout. He's super cold, so I'm gonna get him back in the water. Do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments.